To register an account and verify an account with Stake is as easy as breeze. So let me show you how to do it. Open your browser or any of the browser that you want to use on your smartphone and go to stake.com. So I've already opened the website here. So to register, click on the register option here. So here you just have to input your email, choose your username and then your password. So I already have an account, so I will not be doing that. All I have to do is to log in. So for newcomers, all you have to do is to fill in these details and then click on continue. And then this code is optional. That's if you have referral code, then that's when you can now use this code. So but here it's easy to register. So let me quickly log in and show you how to verify it. So here I will now sign in, and then here I already have the name. As you can see, I think it's saved. So it's now showing and it's processing for login. They set a code to my email. So let me quickly get the code and then proceed. Here is the code. Okay, the code is 1425584. So that's the code. So I'll just click on sign in and then I'm inside. So now for you to be able to deposit on this website stake.com, you have to first verify your account. So when I click on this deposit here now, to ask me, let's set up your wallet and get started. So the first thing I need to do, confirm your email and quickly verify your account. I've confirmed my email with the code I just entered. So I'll just click on set up wallet. Okay, so just fill your first name, your last name, your country, date of birth. I've already filled all this. Your residential address, your city, postal code, and your occupation. I've already filled all these before, so that's why you can see all of them are filled. So use it the way it is on the ID card that you want to use and verify your stake. If the details do not match, your verification will be declined. So make sure the details you fill in here is going to be the same with the ID card you are going to use. So now let me proceed, save and continue. And then as you can see here, they have a lot of options here, like I think 4 options here: driver's license, national ID card, international passport, and then other. So I'll be choosing other because I want to use my voter's card for this. So now I'll have to upload the front side of the voter's card and then the back side of the voter's card. So let me proceed with it. So I already have my voter's card. My voter's card is here. So let me quickly do this. So this first option is for camera, while this one is to record. So use this first one so that you'll be able to take photo. So just take a clear picture of your voter's card, like I'm doing it now. Take a clear picture of it. Don't allow light to reflect too much on it. So I think it's okay like this. Then I'll snap and then proceed. Then let me snap the second one. I'll use this one too. Like I said, like the first one is for camera. So I now have to turn it. Let me turn the back. So here is the back of the ID card. And then let me take the picture of it. So then proceed. So I've prepared 2 of them and then let me submit. Click on submit. So now I'm submitting the ID cards for verification. So as you can see, verification complete. You've done your part. Enjoy access to world's leading online casino and sports betting brand. So now I'm seeing the option to deposit now, and this is going to be a separate video. If you follow this process and it worked for you, please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friend that may want to verify or is finding it difficult to verify their stake account. If you have any question that you may want to ask, please kindly drop it in the comment section. If you are facing any challenges in verifying your account, drop it in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.